Working with top running and sustainability experts, as well as some of the brightest at TCS, we created the TCS Sustainability Challenge, a contest where teams of TCS employees work together to use technology and come up with solutions to make global running events greener.
The TCS Sustainability Challenge has the potential to help our races and other events become more sustainable. Recognizing that technology is a key driver for social change, we are deeply invested in creating a long-term strategy towards a healthier planet.
As a recent MBA graduate, it's been an amazing experience being a part of the sustainability initiative. Our efforts to solve this business challenge and pitching our solutions of how to make races greener has really brought us closer together as a team and given a new meaning to our work.
We think sports events are a powerful tool to engage and inspire people with the paradigm shift that's necessary for our times. That is moving away from a model where we act in spite of nature to one where we learn from and work with it.
Our aim is to maximize the impact of running to the community and minimize the impact on the community.
By sharing our best practices, we can positively impact other events and stakeholders through education and by inspiring them to join us in our efforts.
The winning team will join us at the TCS New York City Marathon in 2021. In addition, their winning concept will move on to the second phase, which is product development and prototyping, with the possibility of impacting millions of communities globally.